way down.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Ola's World. It's your girl Maniola here with another video for you guys today. So here we have cooking with Chef Omo. Hey. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys how I made this Shito pasta. The reason I call it Shito pasta is because the main sauce that I use to make it is called Shito sauce, which is kind of like a Ghanaian thing, but I just made it my own. So you just start to see me like sizzle the oil, so I make sure the oil was really hot before I put the onions in it so it can cook faster. And then you're just gonna see me like garnish it with ginger and garlic, and you can use the actual vegetable, but I just decided to use the seasonings since I already had them and I didn't have to cut anything up. So I just do that, and I just let that sit in the onion sauce first, and then after that you're just going to see me mix them together, and then I am going to add my peppers and everything else to make it blend.
Father, let me you, my baby, best mommy, my darling. Father, let me you, my baby, yeah, best mommy, my darling. Father, let me you, my baby, best mommy, my darling. Father, let me you, my baby, yeah.
Ooh, baby, you got me talking shit. Believe me, I know I can catch feelings. But already, see, I'm falling for you already. Catch me if you can, oh baby. In case we end up well, and we have a beautiful baby girl, she gon' fight like you.
So now that the peppers and the onions have all been mixed together with the seasonings, I'm just going to put it in a separate container just so it can drain as I go ahead and just cook my chicken in the same juices that I just cooked my vegetables, so I don't have to use as much seasoning. And I'm also going to put some of the shrimp on the side just so I can cook it in the same pot. And you can do this, there's no cross-contamination or nothing. So I just separate them like that, and I cook them together, and I use similar seasonings that I use for my vegetables, such as the chicken Bullion seasoning, which you can get anywhere from your local Aldi's, and you don't have to use too much because, like I said, the juices are already in the pan already from the other one. And I use onion powder instead of like actual onions, just because I don't want the taste of onions in it, because it's already in the previous dish that I was making.
Something like Guantanamera, this your love go inside my head. Baby, come close, come give me more. Enter the place, come show me love. Baby, come close to my bed. This your love go inside my head. Baby, come close, come give me more. Enter the place, please show me love. Nothing I cannot do for you. Oh, Lord have mercy, oh, Lord have mercy. As long as it's you, it's cool. Oh yeah, nothing I cannot do for you. Ooh, baby, please me. Yeah. As long as it's you, it's cool.
Wow. Right here you're just gonna see me break the pasta, and I just use regular spaghetti that I got from Aldi's once again, and I used about half the box, I think, or a little bit more than half of the box, just to make sure that there's enough noodles for the amount I'm making.
Flat boy shit, you know.
I just end up adding the vegetables back into the dish, and I put some chicken broth into it as well. And this is where you begin to see me add my Shito sauce to make the pasta into what I want it to be. So I just take the amount of Shito that I want, and I want kind of like a lot. So I use, if I'm putting it into measurements, I probably use like 2 tablespoons of Shito sauce. Then I put this chili paste that I got from my local Asian market, just because I wanted the chicken seasonings to be a little bit more spicy. So I mix it all together, and you're going to see how it's going to add coloring and flavor to the chicken and your vegetables together. And I just mix them all together until it's my desired cook level. I usually like my food a little bit, you know, burnt, but not burnt to the point where like you can't eat it, but I just like it to be like well done. But I didn't do that for this dish because most people were going to be eating it. Now I just add my pasta, and you know when your pasta is boiling, it's just like making regular spaghetti, but you're just going to add it to our seasonings of chicken, shrimp, and vegetables and stuff. So I'm just going to mix it all in together. And this takes a little bit of time just because you want all the stuff on the bottom to mix into the noodles so it's equally distributed, and you don't have noodles that are empty without chicken and stuff in it. So I just mix, and then you're gonna see me add like some more Shito to it because I want the noodles to have the flavor of the Shito sauce. So I add some Shito to it, maybe like a tablespoon of Shito to the pasta, just so the pasta gets the color and the flavor of the chicken as well. So once that's added, I just mix. The dish is basically done at this point. Do not leave it for a long time for it to overheat and get burnt. You don't want your food to get burnt. So you just keep mixing it. You just stay in the kitchen for a meal like this. This meal literally took me less than 30 minutes. It doesn't take a long time if you prep your stuff, pre-cutting it and everything. And as you can see, I just turned off the oven because it's done. And I just garnished it with some green onions. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.